Hello, in this video, I would like to present a demo of what you should aim your breathing to look like after watching the inhale and the exhale guides I have created, and then to talk a little bit about the technique afterwards. I tried to look for specific breathing techniques which instruct to inhale and exhale for 30 seconds. I couldn't find any, so I guess I have to call this the Breathing Alchemy Method. Based on feedback from the viewers and my friends, a lot of people struggle to inhale for longer than 15 seconds. So please don't get discouraged if you can't inhale or exhale for more than 10 or 15 seconds. It's all a matter of practice and dedication. Like I said, the exhale is the hardest part of breathing, and believe me, it takes a lot of willpower to be able to achieve your exhale to be at least 30 seconds. At the end of the video, I forced my exhale and made the sound to show you guys that even after those 30 seconds, I still have a reasonable amount of air inside me for me to be not only able to push, but push with enough force to make a sound. If I was borderline suffocating, I wouldn't be able to do that. In terms of the technique, I really do believe this is quite possibly one of the most powerful things you can learn at the beginning, because once you learn how to extend your inhale and extend your exhale, then you can play around with stuff like holding the breath, different combinations and ratios of the inhale, hold the breath and exhale. Because if we learn this as the first stepping stone, then the rest will be much easier. Soon I'm going to be covering holding the breath as well as some different ratios. Thank you for watching. I hope this was insightful.